Do you actually know that you can double your hair growth with herbal treatment and increase your volume? Herbal treatment is an amazing way to accelerate your hair growth, achieve a lot of volume, and taking up your hair. Not just that, it also straightens your hair, meaning that it makes your hair to feel much stronger. It also reduces a lot of breakage, unnecessary hair shedding. I have experienced all this. I am talking from personal experience after discovering the amazing, powerful benefit behind our treatment. Oh my goodness, it was one of the best decisions ever that I have made to invest in herbal treatment, and it has really helped me. I am someone that a hair strand is very fine. Imagine, I'm just gonna pump some picture here so you can see how my hair were in 2019, I believe. And since I have started using herbal treatment, it has truly helped me, and my hair is getting thicker all the time, and I have a lot of volume now, okay, because the herbal treatment has truly helped my hair to increase more than the way it used to be before. Like, herbal treatment is one of the best investment ever. If you are someone that is striving for volume or you want to retain your length, herbal treatment can change your hair game for real. Trust me. I am not trying to make this up or trying to make things up from nowhere. If you have been following me for a long time, you can tell that my hair has increased. My hair growth has increased, my volume, even my length. My length has increased. Like, I don't even like use the herbal treatment that often. I use it sometimes and sometimes I don't. Imagine me using the herbal treatment like every single wash day. That means that my hair would have cut into my tailbone length already. I am a testimonial. I can testify that herbal treatment can change your hair game. It can truly do a lot in your hair. If you watch my previous video from last time, you can see how I missed on the herbal treatment, how I was doing it. If you are someone that you haven't like tried herbal treatment before, you don't even know where to start from, you can start doing the glows, the herbal treatment glows. Meanwhile, you miss the herbal treatment a day before to your wash day. After you have shampooed your hair, just go ahead, add few tablespoons of your deep conditioner, mix it together, then you will start applying on your hair. Leave it for like 45 minutes, then you rinse it out. You can also get the benefit while you are introducing hair glows into your hair. I do like the glows and the direct herbal treatment. Meanwhile, you can shampoo your hair first. You will apply the herb without adding your deep conditioner into the glows. Just apply it on your hair like that. Then after that, you wait for 45 minutes. You rinse it out. You just go and style your hair. But if you want to do the glows, the thing with the herbal treatment is that after shampooing your hair, you will apply, you will rinse it out, then you will go ahead to use your deep conditioner. You will rinse it out before styling. But what the glows does is that it shortened the amount of time you have to spend on your wash day, because instead of you using the herbal treatment, rinse it out and apply your deep conditioner, just like you cutting down the process done. You do both together, which is amazing. Like, listening to me, herbal treatment is one of the best way to makes your hair grow faster. If you truly want your hair to grow faster, you want to achieve length and volume both time, like killing two birds with one stone, this is the way to do it. I am not trying like to deceive you or to even make false testimonial. I am like, I have used herbal treatment. I still even use it. I can tell you that herbal treatment is one of the best way. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube and you will see tons of videos. People that are doing herbal treatment, you will see their hair before and after they have introduced herbal treatment into their hair regimen. You can see how the herbal treatments has truly helped their hair to grow faster. So I am encouraging you this 2025, if you haven't tried herbal treatment, this is your chance to grow your hair faster, to increase your hair growth. Not just that, to also achieve volume at the same time. And it can also help your hair to get strengthened, to make your hair feel stronger. It can fill the gaps in your hair, your scalp. Not just that, it also regenerates your scalp, it heals your scalp. If you are someone that is suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, and so on and so forth, herbal treatment can sort out this problem, because anytime I use herbal treatment, my scalp doesn't itch me that much. But anytime I stop using it for like maybe months, I can feel a lot of issues in my scalp. This is how amazing herbal treatment is, guys. Anyway, the herb I use in this video, if you haven't watched my previous video, go ahead and watch it and you can come back and watch this. Okay, the herb I used was just simply Shikakai. I believe Shikakai Amla. Shikakai is an amazing herb that cleans the scalp because it has natural cleansing agent in it, and Amla is an amazing herb that strengthens your hair and make your hair feel stronger. Okay, you can see that is the bowl of the herbal treatment. I made a gloss. Like, I believe I used almost 170 grams because I have a lot of hair. Trust me, it's not just the length or the volume. I have a lot of hair. So my love, this is it. If you haven't tried herbal treatment, go ahead and try using herbal treatment. I just went ahead and rinsed my hair, then I put my hair into a simple protective hairstyles. You guys already know twist is one of my favorite protective hairstyles because it doesn't add tension on my hair. So this is it. I will bring the next video what I did after rinsing out my hair. Thanks for your love and support, and I will see you soon.